Hello and welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Here I have a 2016 G5 Series Subaru Impreza. Little 2 litre FB20 engine, automatic all-wheel drive. It's got the leather, the sunroof, the LED lights, washers in the front bar. It's got a full front on it there. Got some doors, a couple of marks on the doors. As you can see, it's hit in the left-hand rear here. Tail light. What have we got in the back here? There's our camera. Got the spare toolkit, the mat there, and the retractable cargo blind. Wheels down here. Leather trim, airbags haven't gone off. Fully optioned by the looks of it. There's our compliance plate down there. Pop the bonnet for you. There we go. And we'll jump in and start it up. I think it's 76,000 kilometres. Okay. (73506) kilometres. Yes, there we are. So airbags haven't gone off. Sunroof up the top there. So there it is, one Impreza for dismantling at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Give us a call on the number on the wall, 02 46461 733. If you need some Impreza parts or any other car parts, no matter passenger, commercial, four-wheel drive, Parts Plus, we do it all. Give us a call. Okay, thanks for watching and bye for now.